What's up, you guys? Back with more in-depth hair tutorials. Today we're going to be doing cute little Bantu knots that I did last week. So let's get started. You're not going to need much to do these, at least I didn't. Some elastics, a parting comb, and then stuff for your edges. This is hair gel, it's just in a travel container, and then my handy dandy toothbrush edge brush. Toothbrush edge brush. My edge toothbrush. You get the point. Starting out, I parted my hair down the middle, and then I went ahead and started parting my hair down the sides, and I just part right behind my ear, and I mirrored that on the other side by lining it up with the first part. I put my hair in a claw clip just so it doesn't get in between any of the other hairs that I'm trying to work with, and then started parting the sections on both sides for the Bantu knots. Just because my hair is so fine and thin, I have to make sure I have enough hair in each section to make sure it looks thicker than what it actually is. So if you don't have a problem with that, then girl, you're lucky. But that's just what I had to do. And then I started putting them in their little ponytail sections. Okay, so now that they're all in their ponytails, super cute, right? I just started twisting them, and since I'm twisting this one to the left side of my head, when I twist around into the Bantu knot, I'm going to take it to the right side to twist it, just to ensure that tightness in the Bantu knot and that it stays, because if you twist it the same way into the Bantu knot that you did off of your head, then it's going to unravel, and we don't want that. So just make sure that when you're putting it into the Bantu knot that you're twisting it in the opposite direction. And then the next thing that I do to help make sure it stays in place is I take another elastic and I wrap that around twice at the bottom, just to ensure that it stays there and it's kind of gripping the end of the hair as well. And then I moved on to the second Bantu knot and just apply the same steps, twisting it to the left and then taking it around into the Bantu knot to the right side, twisting that. Grabbing my elastic and just tying that twice around the knot. And that is really all there is to it. I hope this little tutorial helped, and I hope you guys can do it at home. Please always tag me in your photos and videos if you do this hairstyle or any of my hairstyles, because I love seeing all the recreations that you guys do. I think they're so cute to watch. And here's a little close-up of the Bantu knots. Super cute. I love how they turned out, honestly. Thank you so much for watching.